In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work in Canva in full screen mode. Mastering this feature can significantly enhance your design experience by providing a more immersive and focused workspace. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or any other creative project, working in full screen allows you to see your canvas with greater clarity and reduces distractions from outside elements on your desktop. First, let's dive into how you can access this feature. It's quite simple, really. When you're working on a project within Canva, you'll notice a zoom icon, typically located at the bottom right corner of your design page. This small icon is your starting point for entering full screen mode. By clicking on it, you increase the viewing size of your canvas, giving you a better look at your design details. However, while this is useful, what we want is to truly maximize our workspace. To do that, you need to actually take your canvas full screen. To proceed, look towards the top of your design interface. There's an array of options typically lined up near the center or right of the screen. Among them, you should see a full screen or expand icon. This icon, when clicked, will expand your Canva workspace to take up your entire screen, pushing aside all other desktop elements and letting you concentrate solely on your design. This change not only helps declutter your visual field, but also tends to enhance your design precision, since you'll be able to spot minor errors or make fine adjustments that could be overlooked in a smaller display. While you're in full screen mode, take this opportunity to explore different areas of your canvas with more convenience. Move your elements around, zoom in on specific parts for better detail work, or step back and look at how everything fits together holistically. Often, working in this mode can spark new insights and creativity as your focus is undivided. If at any point you need to exit full screen mode, perhaps to access other tools or check reference materials on your desktop, you can easily do so. Simply press the Escape key on your keyboard, or if there's an Exit Full Screen button at the top edge of your screen, click that. Exiting is just as straightforward as entering, giving you flexibility to switch between views as needed without compromising your workflow. In conclusion, working in full screen mode on Canva is all about optimizing your design process. It removes distractions, gives you a clearer view, and ultimately allows you to craft your creations with heightened accuracy and efficiency. So next time you're in Canva, try these steps to improve your work environment and see how much more you can achieve when your design is front and center. Enjoy designing with this enhanced perspective and let your creative juices flow.